Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So right now we are descending from Red Hills. There's an apartment construction going on up here in the hills. Well, quite a few, but there's one that I'm gonna stop at and show you guys, you know, just a look around the area, and also just to showcase the apartment complex as well. So you guys definitely stay tuned for that. So it's an apartment construction update. This would be the first video I'm gonna do on it, so you guys will definitely be able to check that out as well. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video, and remember to leave a comment as well. So stay tuned while we get closer to that apartment complex right here in the hills of Red Hills, or in the hills of Red Hills Road. Alright guys, so stay tuned for that. So we're approaching where the apartment is, right here on Red Hills Road. So I'm gonna pull off the road so I just can show you guys some glimpses of this apartment complex. So you guys definitely stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so this is the billboard. So size ranging from 1,000 to 1,006 square feet. So we have swimming pool, gated, 24-hour security, granite countertop, porcelain tiles, playground, gym, concrete walls and roof. So we also have the realtor information there if you need to contact. So those are some of the views you'll be getting. Alright, so I always like when they put a billboard like these, so at least we can see the amenities and what the apartment will look like. So it's Forest Gate Apartments. So 5A and 5B, Forest Way, Kirkland Heights. I noticed the price was there, but they rubbed out the starting price, so I guess that's subject to change. Alright, so we see Jamaica Mortgage Bank is the financing company. You know, Jamaica Mortgage Bank was very dormant for a while. Now we see they're financing a lot of projects now. So we see what, 3 floors in certain areas. So there's another apartment complex over here, but it seems as if this project has been dormant for a few years. Well, alright, so guys, let me know what you think. In terms of amenities, design, location, and I guess when I do my next visit, I'll get some price for you guys as well. So share your thoughts and let me know what you think.